Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my Christian friends. How are you? I am quoting a verse from Holy Bible. Then we will talk about it.
There is a well-known passage where Jesus uses the term dogs in a conversation with a non-Jewish woman. Matthew 15 verses 21 to 28.
Have you seen how Christ discriminated among people? This verse of Bible depict him as a racist, and Jesus in no way seems to be a god by his action and words towards non-Jews, because he considered non-Jews as dogs and love only his favorite nation, the Jews. If you want to see the real action and words of a true God, then watch and see the following verse of Holy Quran.